So affiliate marketing for beginners part 2. In this video, we are going to be talking about the process. 3 things in particular that I really want to go into in this video to really give you a good idea of what affiliate marketing is all about. The very first thing we'll touch upon is core product. The second thing we'll touch upon is dependency. And the third thing we will touch upon is quality. Now, let's get into it. So the very first thing we really need to touch upon before we actually get into this video is understand that you can actually learn how to make $10,000 a month 100% free. I have a 4-part video series that myself and my millionaire mentor have put together just for you. So all you need to do is click on the description below or in the very first comments of this particular video, you will find a link to that training 100% free. All you need to do is put in your email address and we'll send you the first video, okay? Now let's get stuck into this. Understand that affiliate marketing is a process, okay? It takes time to develop things. Now, but the very first shift that you need to make is that people aren't necessarily looking for products. They are looking for a solution. And you could be the person that provides that actual solution. Understanding that really makes a profound shift in how we go about doing things. When I started out, I thought, well, people are searching for particular products. No, they're searching for information on products because they think that product is what provides them the solution. But what you could do is corner yourself as the solutions expert. I spoke previously in the video about the gentleman who made himself the expert in the microphone niche, right? So what he's done is he's positioned himself as the expert there. Now, it doesn't necessarily, there are different products that people will search for. Like, for example, they might search for a Sony microphone, yeah? Or an Apple microphone, or a Windows microphone. I don't know, I'm not in the microphone niche myself. But here's the thing. People are looking for information based on what they think the answer is. But if you can provide them that solution, if you can provide them the answer, then you become the expert automatically, okay? And that's how you position yourself and go about doing it. Now, with that preset put in place, the very first thing I wanted to talk about was having your core product. Now, understanding that you can use systems to really promote one product in particular to make yourself a lot of money. Now, affiliate marketing in general, what they do is typically they have a little shop, like an online store or a Shopify or something along those lines, and then they sell, they do ads and they run people to the website, hoping that they'll buy, hoping that they'll get a commission, okay? But a smarter way to go about doing it is to position yourself to be able to get big time commissions by promoting one core product, okay? If you follow any online professional marketers out there, what they do is they typically have a core product for a business, and it is a one and only product that they'll promote. When it comes to true experts, they don't necessarily have a website where they sell everything that's available. A lot of them, what they do is they take you through this thing called a sales funnel, and you can do the same thing without making it very confusing. Basically, if you have a system that can do the selling for you, you can now position yourself to make multiple commissions promoting one product, okay? And that's where the system comes in, where you can have your core product and then you sell products all based all around that support that core product to really enhance exactly what it is that you're doing. That's basically what I've done, and that's been the difference between, making $5 and $10 commissions like I used to, and, making, $1,250 to $2,500 commissions that I do now. So to try not to make it a little bit more confusing is dependency. This is the second thing that I wanted to talk about with affiliate marketing. Now, most people depend on one product to make them all of that money, and that is actually a problem. What I mean is trying to promote just one product. Now, you're probably sitting there going, hang on, didn't you just talk about not doing that? Yes, I kind of did. But here's the difference. I spoke of one core product, not just one product, okay? I spoke about having one core product and then putting a bunch of products around them that sell them, all parts, all solutions. Remember, we're going back to solutions oriented, not product based, okay? We're solution based, not product based. So you have one core product that you promote, that you have different products around that all support this one product that allows people to really find a complete solution to what it is. What most people do and where they fail is that they have one product that they're trying to sell and there is nothing else. There is nothing supporting that product or anything else that they're trying to push. And as a result, they become dependent on that one particular thing. They don't end up making sales, they struggle. Okay, so this is where utilizing again a system can really put you above and beyond where everybody else currently sits. There is a reason why 96% of people don't make any money online, and it is really depressing and something that we need to turn around right now. The third thing that I wanted to talk about is traffic. Not all traffic is created equal. For example, if you were to do a very specific Facebook ad, right, and driving people using specific keywords, those were probably the most highest qualified people on Facebook to actually see. However, if all you did was put your link in a tiny little description and blast it all over free Facebook groups, there is a really good chance you're not going to get a sale. Why? Because people who are going into those groups are there to promote their own stuff. Not to mention there are hundreds and thousands of posts in those groups every single day, which means the clicks that you get from them are very low quality. They're not targeted. There is a bunch of people, they're probably just clicking out of curiosity and nothing else. Whereas if people actually click on paid ads, or if they click on content that you've put together, it means that they're really, truly, genuinely interested, because it actually caught their attention and they really want to find out what's going on. What's even better is obviously if, say for example, you were to place an ad through Google and they were to Google a solution, your ad came up. They clicked on that and that's how they've actually purchased, right? Because they're looking for a very specific thing. So understand, point 3, traffic, not all clicks are created equal. I have literally made thousands of dollars from 10 to 20 clicks, whilst other people have sent between 400 and 500 clicks to the exact same product. And the difference is the way that I marketed it, the way that I positioned it, the way that I went about doing what I do to get high ticket commissions, whilst the other person were just posting links all over Facebook, all over Instagram, hoping to get some clicks, but not realizing that those clicks were really low quality. And as a result, people weren't really interested. They were kind of just checking it out and seeing what was going on. Okay, they were not the target market that the person should be going for. That is my understanding, and that is my easiest way to break down and give you a real life example of the difference between a quality click and just a click. Okay, so those 3 things are now covered, and in video number 3 of Affiliate Marketing 101 for beginners, I really want to talk about paid or free advertising. Now, we have to understand that in order to really scale affiliate marketing, and this is one of the best things about affiliate marketing, is that if you figure out a system, if you have a funnel that you can put people through, and you know that you can sell them a product worth this much money, and you only have to advertise this much money to get that sale, now you can up your levels, right? So say for example, instead of paying $100 in advertising to get $200 worth of sales, you can now spend $1,000 in advertising in order to get $2,000 in sales, okay? This is the beauty of affiliate marketing. You can really ramp up what you're doing once you've got everything dialed in and really make a lot of money. It is completely counterintuitive because we're taught that we show up to somewhere, we do a job, we get paid for the amount of hours that we work. Well, that's not so with online marketing, right? This is the beauty of entrepreneurism, where you can actually dictate your life, your time. The amount of income that you make is really dependent on the skills that you're willing to develop, and the amount of money that you're willing to invest will determine the speed at which you are going to grow your business. So we will be talking about that in video number 3. Now, for now, remember to make sure that you subscribe and comment to get into that $1,200 plus prize pool of training and coaching from me, myself. And then on top of that, you make sure that you check out the $10,000 a month free affiliate marketing training that my mentor and I have put together for you right below in the description. Take care, much love, and I'll see you in video number 3.